Hello everyone! In this How to Draw Stuff tutorial, our artist Judit Crehuet is going to show you how to draw two hands together making a heart. Hands are tricky since they are made up of many smaller shapes combined. A good way to practice is to look at your own hands and see what shapes they make. For an outstretched hand, the palm looks like a distorted square with 5 cylinders attached. But in this drawing, we are looking at the hands positioned sideways, so their shape is more triangular. For the base of the sketch, we make 2 triangle shapes on each side. This is the simplest guideline we use to build the image upon. To make the inside of the hand, we remove a section of each triangle. From the top of each shape, we will start to draw the fingers, which will give us the top of the heart shape. For the bottom of the heart shape, we join the thumbs together. In nature, we don't see many straight lines, so if you want the fingers to look natural, we need to curve them. Straighter lines will look more like a cartoon. The hands need to be extended to include the shape of the wrist, which we do on both sides. Now we have the general outline. We will start to detail the fingers. We start with the pinky fingers, which in this case are closest to us. Break them into 3 cylinders. All the fingers are broken into 3 sections, except the thumbs, which are broken into 2. We need to make a little lump for knuckles where the finger connects to the back of the hand. When we have the outline sketched with some extra lines for folds in the skin, we need to dedicate time to make it more detailed. Draw the outline in a lighter pencil and make corrections, then go over it with a heavier pencil. Don't complete one section at a time, but advance all the parts little by little as you go. You don't have to do all the wrinkles you will see in a real hand, but mark the most important lines. At this point, we can start to create depth with shadowing. The darker shadows are where the skin is more folded. Make the shadows light gray to begin with, as it is easier to make them darker than lighter again. Now we erase the original pencil guidelines, which we no longer need. To finish, we color the heart in red, making sure we keep the lines going in the same direction so that it looks neat. And here is the completed picture. We hope you enjoyed this how to draw tutorial. Don't forget to leave us comments for new video requests. You can see more of Judith's amazing work by clicking the link in the description. Give us a like if you found this video useful, subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.